Welcome back to Janny Thermal Crazy in my little series of quick tips. Today I want to show you that we do have hidden messages in our attachments. Woo. So who would have thought that Thermomix leaves us actually secret messages on some of the attachments? And if you have a closer look, you will see there is an imprint on your butterfly whisk. And this one says maximum speed 4. What could that mean? Well, it's a butterfly. And if you go over speed 4, it actually will fly away. Yeah. Don't try. And this is our blade cover. And it also has a hidden message for us. And here we can see in the imprint, it says maximum speed 1. Ooh. What do you reckon? What's going to happen if you go over speed 1? Let's not try, all right? These imprints are here. These messages are here for a reason, and that's to save your attachments that come with the Thermomix or the ones that you buy after. I hope you found this helpful, and yeah, go out and check your attachments too. Maybe you can find more hidden messages from Thermomix.